Why is it that the people who tell you that your fruit has too much sugar are the same one right now binging on some chocolate, on some sweets, some Milky Way bars, some Snickers? Why is that the case? So why is it that we have this desire for sweet? Why is it that everyone in society is trying to give up sugar? Why is it that everyone in society is addicted to sweets, cakes, buns, cookies? Why is it that the people who tell you that your fruit has too much sugar are the same one right now binging on some chocolate, on some sweets, some Milky Way bars, some Snickers? Why is that the case? Well, if you look at our physiology, we resemble fruit eaters. And in nature, the only place that you would find a consistent source of sweet calories is fruit. Is fruit. And we seek sweet because it's our natural design, it's our natural physiology. And what these food companies do, they hijack your mind and get you to desire these artificial sweets, these artificial shit alternatives to fruit, and you get hooked on that. While at the same time, the weight loss industry is telling you you need to cut carbohydrates, you need to stop eating carbs, so you fear fruit and you fear the very thing that your body is craving. So what I say is smash down the fruit. Eat more dates, eat more bananas, eat more mangoes, peaches, pears, plums. Eat so much fruit that your desire for shit, junk, artificial, refined garbage just goes out the window.